The following information is to assist in basic troubleshooting of the most commonly known pump problems that you may encounter with our test pumps. First, if the unit will not suction or prime itself, A. Check the suction hose for proper size, free of obstruction, no cuts, holes, tears, or weak spots, and that there is an ample water supply. B. The line strainer. Most importantly, make sure the gasket is in place and in good condition, and that there are no cracks and all fittings are tight. C. The inlet piping. Make sure all fittings are tight, free of cracks, and inlet hose fitting is complete with screen and washer. D. Dampener diaphragm. Check to see that it is in place and in proper working condition, no tears or rips, and that the clamp is tight. E. The pressure regulator. This will prevent suction if the regulator is stuck in bypass mode, so adjust the regulator pressures up and down to assure that it's working properly. F. Pump valves. Rarely found, but if known that the hose screen and washer or the line strainer were removed from the unit, allowing debris into pump and valves, a valve may be stuck in the open position. This would prevent suction. Number 2. Not building pressure. A. Check for water in the oil bath of the pump body, looking for possible ruptured diaphragms caused by pressure feeding. B. Pressure regulator. Not set at proper testing pressure, or it may be stuck. Adjust the T-handle up and down to assure working properly. C. Valve assemblies. If the hose screen and washer or line strainer assembly have been removed from the unit at any time, valves may be stuck in the open position from debris. D. The check valve. This may be defective or broken, not allowing water to flow through. That will prevent the building of pressure. E. Air. If air is not properly expelled from the unit and your test environment, it may prevent any building of pressure or accurate readings. Number 3. Not holding pressure. A. The ball valve may not be completely closed, thus allowing water to flow back into the unit. B. Check valve. The second measure of closure behind the ball valve not working properly. This would allow water to flow back into the unit as well. C. Any visible water leaking from components or pipe fittings or air trapped in the unit or test environment. Number 4. Not building past a certain pressure. A. Check the pressure setting of the regulator and be sure that it's in good working condition. B. After extensive hours of use or frequent chemical additives, check for the wearing of the valves, O-rings, seals, and pump body. And C. If all air has not been completely expelled from the test environment. Water leakage. Check loose or cracked piping, missing, defective, incorrectly set parts, a defective hose, or a cracked pump body. Number 6. Water in oil. This normally occurs when the unit has been pressure fed, causing ruptured diaphragms, or a crack in the pump body caused from freezing in colder climates. This would allow water to seep into the inner oil bath pump cavity. Number 7. The gauge. A. If the needle is not resetting to 0 or below, the gauge may have been pegged by a water spike or an inaccurate reading due to air still trapped in piping. If the gauge is fluctuating, check the accumulator diaphragm for proper air setting. Designed in similar fashion with common components, all other Rice pumps basically follow the same maintenance, repair, and troubleshooting instructions. For more detailed information regarding your specific Rice hydrostatic test pump, please consult your operation manuals or contact us at 1-800-245-4777.